What's up guys? I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a Windows update on your Windows 11 easily. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the Windows icon or the Windows 11 icon and then click settings. Once you do that, click Windows Update and then click check for updates and turn on the get the latest updates as soon as they are available to make sure you have all the good security updates and fixes or improvements on your Windows PC. So that's it for this video. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to check the advanced options, like for example receive updates for other Microsoft products or get me up to date, like restart as soon as possible. So these are options that you can use, but what matters the most is the Windows updates, which you can do from coming to the settings and click Windows Update and then check for updates. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys for watching this video.